Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna do acceleration versus time graph. So, acceleration versus time graph. Okay. In the previous videos, we did velocity versus time and displacement versus time. Okay. And for velocity versus time graphs, we did two conditions. Okay. The first one was constant velocity, and the second one was constant acceleration. Of course, the acceleration can vary as well. Okay, it's not a necessity that acceleration should be constant always. It can change, but for simplicity at this level, we usually take acceleration to be constant. Okay, and now the first condition, that is constant velocity. Well, if the acceleration exists, okay, what does acceleration mean? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. So acceleration, if the acceleration exists, that means that the velocity is changing. So we can straight away rule out this first possibility. As if the velocity is constant, then there won't be any acceleration. Acceleration will be zero if the velocity is constant. So the first possibility is straight away ruled out, and we are just left with the second one, that is constant acceleration. Okay, so let's just draw two axes. First one, this axis is time axis, this is acceleration. Okay. Now, if the acceleration is constant, that means that the rate of change of velocity, that is dv by dt, is constant. Okay. So acceleration is constant over time, right? Because this rate is measured over time. It's a differential with respect to time, right? So acceleration is constant over time. So this, as we move forward in the time axis, right, the acceleration is gonna be constant. So if the acceleration initially at time t is equal to 0, the acceleration is, let's say, 5 meters per second squared, right? It's gonna stay 5 meters per second squared forever. Over time, it's constant, right? So it's parallel to time axis. It's constant with respect to time axis. It's parallel to time axis. Okay, so that's the acceleration versus time graph. Okay, now as we are done with the basic concepts, so since the next video we're gonna do the real kinematics, that is kinematic equations. Then we're gonna do some problems, and then after the basic kinematics, we'll move on to Newton's laws of motions. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, take care.